So in today's class, yes, in today's class, we are going to discuss the practice assignment that I sent you yesterday. So the first question that we had was rearrange the words to make meaningful sentences. That means you were given jumbled words, right? Okay, so I'd like Sorish, can you please read from screen? What are the jumbled words in the first one given? Read from the screen and then tell me the answer. Yes. Yes, Sorish.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, morning. Good morning. Yes, be quick.
The behind were the bush thieves hide. The thieves were hiding behind the bushes.
Yes. The thieves were hiding. I'm sorry, I won't be able to type here because this keyboard is new for me. Right. So the thieves were hiding behind the bushes, right? Please check your answers, everybody. The thieves were hiding behind the bushes. Now, first thing is कि यहाँ पे आपका subject क्या है? आपको जब rearrange करना होता है, then you need to know what the subject can be. तो subject यहाँ पे हमारा हो सकता है, thieves भी हो सकता है, bush भी हो सकता है, ठीक है? But let us see. अगर हम thieves को लेते हैं अपना subject, then thieves is the subject here. So thieves, the thieves, यहाँ पे दो बार the आ रहा है. So first the हम यहाँ पे लेंगे. The thieves. उसके बाद हमारा क्या आता है subject के बाद? Then we have the verb. Subject sentence की formation में हमारा बाद में verb आता है. So हमारा पहले आया subject the thieves, फिर आया हमारा verb. Verb will be were hiding. ये दो words हमारे क्या है? Subject है. Okay. So the thieves were hiding. ये हमारा हो गया verb और end में क्या आएगा? कहाँ पे hide हो रहे थे? They were hiding behind उसका preposition आएगी हमारी and then the bush. So it is the हमारा जो sentence बना वो क्या बना? The thieves were hiding behind the bush. Now what you have to take care of कि the का T would be capital आएगा because it is the starting of a sentence and at the end we need to put a full stop there, right? So our answer would be thieves were hiding behind the bushes. Very good. Now next question I'd like to ask the child with the name Anand Basra. Please unmute yourself. Quickly, bete, quickly. We don't have much time. We don't want to waste our time. Yes, Anand Basra, the child with the name Anand Basra. I can't see this child. Right, Meherdeep, not you, bete. I'll tell you which Meherdeep. The other one, Meherdeep. Meherdeep, unmute yourself. Quickly, bete, quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes. Meherdeep, what is the second? Can you read the second group of words?
Colors, kites, in of many, few, the city different.
Very good. Now, please rearrange them.
Many different colors of kite, few in the city.
No, Meher, is it making a sense? Many different colors of kites. Different colors of kites. Many kites. So the answer, please, rest of you can write down in the chat box also, please. Okay. Those who want to write the answer, they can write in the chat box. So the answer is many kites. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? Kites के बारे में. So हमारा आंसर बनेगा subject हमारा हो जाएगा many kites. अब many kites कैसी kites हैं वो? Of different colors. So many kites of different colors. उसके बाद हमारा आएगा ये यहाँ तक हमारा हो गया subject. उसके बाद आएगा हमारा verb. ठीक है? So many kites of different colors flew. What is the verb here? Flew. Many kites of different colors flew. कहाँ पे flew हो रही थी? कहाँ पे उड़ रही थी? In the city. So the answer, Meher, please correct your answer. The answer would be many kites of different colors flew in the city. Right? I hope it is clear to everybody. Meher, there's one more Meherdeep in the class. Please unmute yourself, Pete. The second one. I don't remember your section. There's one more Meherdeep. Can you please unmute yourself? The other one. Yes, Meherdeep. I could see your name reflecting on the screen, beta. You are wasting the time if you're not answering to me. Yes. Okay. Jaisalveer, read out the third group of words. Quickly. Jaisalveer, read out the third group of words.
Ma'am, I enjoy playing with my dog.
I told you to read the group of words. पहले आप सिर्फ एक group of words read करते तो better था. Okay, fine. But the answer is I enjoy playing with my dog. Please, I hope everybody is checking the answers side by side. You must have a pencil in your hand and check your answers side by side. So the answer is I enjoy playing with my dog. Next, Tanya Chawla. Please unmute yourself and read out the fifth one. Fourth one, sorry. Tanya. Yes. Okay, this child with the name Jayantika Kanda. Unmute yourself. Jayantika.
Yes, sir.
Anji beta, read the next group of words. Next number pe kaun si group of words hai? Read them.
First, I quite happy was to receive prize though.
Very good. So what would be the sentence?
I was happy to receive the prize first.
अच्छा, I was happy to receive the prize first. आप ऐसे बोलते हैं या ऐसे बोलते हैं? I was happy to receive the first prize. मुझे जब first prize मिला तो मैं happy थी. जयंतिका, you have not spoken more word. यहाँ पे quiet word आपने skip कर दिया है. Can you please repeat the answer again? Quiet word आपने नहीं बोला बेटा. जरा बोल लीजिए साथ में. Then repeat the answer. Rest of you mute yourself. Yes, Jantika, can you please repeat the answer? But it don't take that long. We don't have that much time. Vanita, please repeat the answer. Vanita.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Can you please speak the answer quickly?
I forgot to post the letter.
Vanita, वैसे by the way, I told you to repeat the first answer, the one previous answer. इससे पहले वाले को sentence को दोबारा repeat करेंगे, please, because she has skipped a few words there. जयंतिका ने एक word नहीं बोला था. Please आप दोबारा बताइए मुझे what is the answer of that?
I was happy to receive the first prize.
Yes, I was happy. Who is this, bete? Mute yourself. Mute yourself, whoever it is. Okay. Again, you have skipped one word. Bhavya, you speak the answer, bete. Quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bache. Yes, please speak the answer.
I was quite happy to receive the first prize.
Yes, I was quite happy to receive the first prize. आपने quite word बोला ही नहीं किसी ने भी. Quite word भी तो है यहाँ पे. So you can't leave any word. आप अपनी मर्जी से किसी word को skip नहीं कर सकते हैं. अगर आपका बाकी सारा sentence ठीक है लेकिन आपने एक word ही skip कर दिया तो you will not get the full marks. So I was quite happy. Quite happy means काफी खुश थी मैं. मैं काफी खुश क्यों थी? To get the first prize, to receive the first prize. Preshi, can you please speak the next one?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I to the forget letter post. And ma'am, answer है I forget to post the letter.
okay, very good, Preshi. But is it forget or is it forgot?
Ma'am, forgot.
Forgot, yes. Garima, can you please speak the next one quickly? Yes, so the answer is I forgot to post the letter. Yes, Garima, next please.
Must we protect resource of or our natural?
Very good. Yes. So what would be the answer?
We must protect our natural resources.
Very good. So we ka W will be capital and you need to put a full stop. Beta, I'm repeating again, when you rearrange these jumbled words to make a sentence, अगर आप वहाँ पे first letter को capital नहीं करेंगे, end में full stop या punctuation mark whatever is required आप नहीं डालेंगे तो आपके marks deduct होते हैं. So don't forget कि आपने end में full stop, question mark जो भी suitable है वो put करना है वहाँ पे. Yes. Next, Upamanyu. Upmanyu, please unmute yourself and switch on your camera and tell me, read out the next one. Others, better you can keep on writing the answers. And please, I hope everybody is cross-checking. Now, you don't have much days left for exams. Please be serious. Upmanyu, please unmute yourself and switch on your camera also. I can see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Anji Upmanyu, please speak the next group of words quickly.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Oh, really? Is it not audible to you? I think it's audible to everyone else. Read out the next group of words. Next क्या है इसके बाद? What is the next group of words? Upmanyu, tell me one thing. Have you solved the assignment? Upmanyu, have you solved the assignment that I sent you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, बेटे. Then फिर आपको time क्यों लग रहा है? जल्दी से read कीजिए. Screen पे देखिए and read out the next group of words. Upmanyu, do you think we have that much time? Very bad. You're wasting the time. You're not speaking anything. Viraj, unmute yourself. जल्दी से read कीजिए विराज. When I tell your name, I speak your name.
Yes, ma'am.
आपकी turn है. आपकी turn है. जल्दी से read कीजिए.
This we visiting Assam last summer.
Very good. And what would be the answer? Viraj, answer बोलिए.
This summer we this summer we visiting Assam.
We are कहाँ गया? This summer we are visiting Assam. अगर मैं
We are visiting.
Okay, fine. Okay, बेटे, listen to me. अगर मैं बोलूँ कि we are visiting Assam this summer, so is it correct? Mankaran, can you please differentiate between the two answers? He has spoken this summer we are visiting Assam, and I say we are visiting Assam this summer. Are both the sentences correct, or is one of them is wrong? Yes, Mankaran.
Mom, both seem correct only.
They seem to be correct. Okay. So what do you mean by seem to be correct? That means both of them are actually correct. So what is the difference between the two? The difference between the two is कि अगर आप listen carefully, अगर आप आंसर लिखते हैं this summer, okay, we are visiting Assam, तो यहाँ पे आपको एक punctuation mark extra डालना पड़ेगा. आपको this summer के बाद यहाँ पे comma डालना पड़ेगा, right? So you'll write down this summer, then a comma, and then we are visiting Assam. So this is correct. But अगर आप दूसरी तरह से लिखते हैं we are visiting Assam this year, तो आपको सिर्फ end में full stop put करना है, फिर उसमें आपको comma put करने की जरूरत नहीं है. But both the answers are correct, right? So इसको हम दो तरह से लिख सकते हैं. Right. Okay. So the next one who is going to tell me, Vivek Dutt. Please quickly unmute yourself and speak the next.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. But no need to wish again. You just quickly speak the answer and the sentence. What is the next group of words?
Loves books too. She read evening the in. Ma'am, she loves to read books in the evening.
Very good. She loves to read books in the evening. Very nice. Ashmeet, next sentence, please. Next group of words, pehle read karo. Ashmeet for. Yes, but the next one. Ashmeet, does it take so long, bache? Read the group of words.
Yes, ma'am.
Anji, next group of words read kijiye bete. You must know.
You help I do need.
Yes. Yes, Ashmeet. What would be the answer?
Do you need my help?
Very good. Do you need my help? No, Ashmeet, is it a sentence or is it a question?
Question.
So what would be the punctuation mark? End में क्या लगाओगे? Full stop लगाओगे इसमें?
Question mark.
वेरी गुड. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग यू. जब आप सेंटेंस को फॉर्म कर लेते हैं उसके बाद आपने डिसाइड करना है कि ये नॉर्मल एक सेंटेंस है या ये क्वेश्चन है, ये स्टेटमेंट है या एक क्वेश्चन है. अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है. डू यू नीड माय हेल्प? सो यू नीड टू पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. नैतिक, नेक्स्ट प्लीज.
This book picture has beautiful art therein.
Yes. So the answer is Naitik, have you solved it?
Yes.
Yes. Then read the answer that you have written. Read the answer.
This book has beautiful pictures in
it, है ना? It कहाँ पे है मुझे बताओ नैतिक. There कहाँ गया? You have not used the word there here. There word को आप skip कर गए हैं and it word अपने आप से आपने लगा दिया. This is not how you do it. Naitik, try again quickly. Try again. Have you actually solved it?
Yes.
Rakshit. Okay, Naitik, wait. Let us see what Rakshit has to say. Rakshit. Yes, please tell the answer.
The beautiful. There are beautiful pictures in the book.
In this book. In the book नहीं है. So, अच्छा, okay. There are beautiful pictures in this book. So, okay, is it correct? यहाँ पे has word भी आ रहा है. Can anybody tell me? Can anybody else? Yes, Vinay. Vinay.
Has this book
Actually, yes.
This book has beautiful pictures.
This book has beautiful pictures. फिर there नहीं आ रहा. Mankaran wants to tell. Yes, Mankaran, can you try? Bhumi, you will get your turn, बच्चे. Just wait.
This book, sorry, there are beautiful pictures in this book.
Yes, that means कि यहाँ पे जो word has है, that has been wrongly given here. Do you realize that this is not making any sense? अगर हम यहाँ पे बोलते हैं there are beautiful pictures in this book, ठीक है, या तो हम ये लिख सकते हैं, या this book has beautiful pictures, ठीक है, but again दोनों words को हम एक साथ use नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. That means there is something wrong in it. Okay, so how many of you realize कि wrong है? Raise your hands quickly. किस को पता था कि इसमें कुछ mistake है? कितने बच्चों को पता चल गया था कि इस सेंटेंस में जो मैम ने ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दिया इसमें कोई मिस्टेक है? सच्ची कितने बच्चों को पता चला था? Nobody realized that this is wrong. I didn't get any message. Saisha is saying yes, I realized it. Very good, Saisha. If you knew. Now, Mankaran, you told me the answer. Now you can't back off from that. आपने मुझे नहीं कहा कि मैम ये wrong है. Okay, so there is a mistake in this. So आपको has word को यहाँ पे cut कर देना है in your notebook. ठीक है? You have to cut this word has here, and the answer would be there are beautiful pictures in this book. Right? Okay. Now the next question that we have is pick out the subject and the predicate from the given sentences. Sukhmani will speak the first one quickly. Sukhmani, very fast. Today we don't have much time and we have so much things to discuss. Yes, Sukhmani, quickly, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please tell me. What is the subject in this?
The subject is the man with his wife. The man with his wife.
Yes.
And the predicate is were working in the garden.
Okay, very good. So बेटे there is a small correction in this. यहाँ were की जगह was लिख लीजिए सारे. Your answer is correct. So what we are talking about, यहाँ पे हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? यहाँ पे हम man के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और उसकी wife. The man with his wife. So this whole part is the subject here, and was working in the garden is the predicate here. Okay, Bhumi, can you please tell me कि predicate is the predicate correct? Was working in the garden. Is it correct, Bhumi? Bhumi, please quickly unmute yourself, bete. Is the answer correct? Yes. Bhumi, you are still muted, bache. Yes, Bhumi. Yes. Was working in the garden. Is it correct? The predicate. Is it correct? Was working in the garden. No. Why? Why, Bhumi? Why?
Oh yeah.
Who is this, bete? Yes. Bete, who is unmuted? Bhumi, mute yourself. I'm not able to listen to you. Vinay. Vinay, you tell me. Is it correct? Was working in the garden. Is it the predicate?
No.
What is the predicate then?
Can I?
Vinay, I told you to answer. Bete, we don't have time. Why you people are wasting the time?
Can I?
Nobody will speak. Yes, was working in the garden is the predicate here. Why? आप इसे कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं? क्योंकि ये helping verb से start हो रहा है. Was is a helping verb. So our predicate always starts with the verb. Predicate जब भी sentence में हम बोलते हैं वो हमेशा verb से start होता है. Ravdeep, please second sentence जल्दी से read कीजिए. We don't have time. Quickly बेटे, second sentence.
We will not tolerate this any longer.
Tolerate. Will not tolerate this any longer. Yes. Answer.
Subject, we predicate will not tolerate this any longer.
Ravdeep, it's tolerate, बेटे, not tolerate. Okay, Ravdeep, मुझे बताइए कि आपको कैसे पता चला will not tolerate this any longer is the predicate here?
Will helping verb.
Very good, very good. Swarit, third sentence. बेटे, keep yourself muted. Others. Swarit, third sentence जल्दी से read कीजिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Third sentence read कीजिए. Yes, ma'am मत बोलिए.
Ma'am,
Third sentence. हाँ.
the little tree is covered with needles.
Answer.
Ma'am, the subject is the little was covered with needles is.
Yes, very good. The little tree, किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? We are talking about the tree here. So the little tree is the subject and was covered with needles is the predicate. आप कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं? Was is a helping verb. ठीक है? तो हमारा जो predicate होता है वो हमेशा verb से start होता है. Tanav, next sentence please. Tanav, quickly next sentence.
Excuse me. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, जल्दी से बोलिए. Tanav, please be quick.
मैंने वो दिखा नहीं हुआ.
Why? Pavni will read
Yes,
the next
ma'am.
sentence. Read the next sentence, bete.
Ma'am, the pretty girl was wearing a blue frock.
Very good. Anji.
Ma'am, the pretty girl subject was wearing a blue frock.
Very good. Bete, who's this? Who's unmuted? Yes, Tanveer. Tanveer Kaur, sorry. Tanveer Kaur. Next sentence बोलिए जल्दी से. Yes, Tanveer. जल्दी से read कीजिए बेटे. Come here. Okay, now this is really interesting. Now everybody be attentive, everybody. What is the next sentence? Next sentence is come here. So what is the subject here? Yes, Tanveer. ये सारे बहुत ध्यान से सुनेंगे बेटे. This is really important. Pay attention, everyone. Yes. जल्दी बोलिए Tanveer, please. Come here.
Here is a predicate.
Very good. Come here is a subject. Very good. Come तो verb है. Come तो verb है यहाँ पे. Can anybody tell the answer of this? ये वाला answer repeat कोई नहीं करेगा. If anybody knows the correct answer, किसको लगता है कि मुझे सारा correct answer पता है इसका? Can anybody try it? Anybody who wants to try? Come here. Okay. Now listen to me very carefully. अब जो मैं बोल रही हूँ ध्यान से सारे बहुत ध्यान से सुनेंगे. अगर मैं suppose बात कर रही हूँ, suppose I'm talking to विराज और विराज मेरे सामने खड़ा है और मैं बोलती हूँ विराज को come here. तो इसका मतलब मैं किससे बात कर रही हूँ? विराज मेरे सामने खड़ा है, मैंने सिर्फ उसको बोला come here. Come here मतलब इधर आओ. ठीक है, तो इसका अंडरस्टूड सा मीनिंग है कि मैं विराज से बात कर रही हूँ ना, विराज मेरे सामने खड़ा है, तो अगर मैं ये भी कह सकती थी विराज को, मैं ये भी कह सकती हूँ यू कम हियर, कह सकती थी ना उसको, यू कम हियर, तुम इधर आओ, या मैं उसको ये कहती हूँ कम हियर, इधर आओ, दोनों का मतलब सेम है। इसका मतलब बात तो मैं किससे कर रही हूँ, विराज से ही कर रही हूँ। सो कई बार हमारे सेंटेंसेस में सब्जेक्ट जो होता है वो हिडन होता है, हिडन मीन्स छुपा हुआ होता है। तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है, अगर हम किसी पर्सन से बात कर रहे हैं तो हम जरूरी नहीं उसके साथ तुम लगा के बात करें, है ना। बात सुनो, अगर मैं मम्मा आपको कहती बात सुनो, तो मम्मा आप ही को कह रही है ना बात सुनो, तो मम्मा इसका मतलब क्या कहना चाहती है, यू लिसन टू मी। मम्मा ये भी कह सकती हैं लिसन टू मी, या मम्मा ये भी कह सकती हैं यू लिसन टू मी। सो अगर मम्मा ने बोला सिर्फ लिसन टू मी, इसका मतलब सब्जेक्ट कौन था, यहाँ सब्जेक्ट बताया नहीं हुआ, लेकिन आपने अपनी कॉमन सेंस यूज करनी है कि यहाँ पे बात आपसे हो रही है, तो सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे यू है। सो इस तरह का कभी भी कोई सेंटेंस आएगा जहाँ पे आपको सब्जेक्ट नहीं नजर आ रहा कोई, वहां पे हमेशा मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स आपका सब्जेक्ट कौन होता है, यू होता है। सो इसमें आपको सिर्फ सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है कम हियर, तो आपको उसमें बट ऑब्वियसली आपको समझ जाना चाहिए कि किस जिससे वो पर्सन बात कर रहा है। मैं स्पीकर हूँ, मैं जिससे बात कर रही हूँ वो लिसनर है, वो कौन होगा, उसके लिए हम कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज करते हैं, यू यूज करते हैं। सो यहाँ पे हिडन हमारा सब्जेक्ट जो वो छुपा हुआ है, और वो सब्जेक्ट क्या है, यू। क्लियर टू एवरीवन, इज इट क्लियर बेटे? Arnav, is it clear to you what I told you? If is there anybody who...
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, is there, very good. Is there anybody जिसको समझ नहीं आया जो मैंने अभी समझाया है? कोई है ऐसा बच्चा? I hope everybody has understood this. ठीक है? So इस तरह का sentence I'm repeating again. दोबारा कोई ऐसा sentence आता है. Yes, बेटे, quickly please. Yes, Dipanshu, you can write only the answers. Whenever I give you the practice assignment, write only the answers. Yes, बच्चे, yes.
मैम कम हियर प्रेडिकेट है पूरा?
हाँ जी, पूरा प्रेडिकेट है। देखो कम वर्ड जो है वो क्या है, वर्ब है ना, वर्ब है ना कम वर्ड। कम वर्ड इज अ वर्ब ना, एक्शन वर्ड है। हमारा प्रेडिकेट वर्ब से स्टार्ट होता है, तो कम हियर हमारा सारा क्या हो जाएगा, प्रेडिकेट हो जाएगा। और हिडन जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है, जो छुपा हुआ सब्जेक्ट है, वो क्या हो जाएगा, यू हो जाएगा। क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ओके बेटे।
मैम हिडन सब्जेक्ट लिखना,
सॉरी
मैम हिडन सब्जेक्ट लिखना है।
हिडन सब्जेक्ट लिखना है आपको। जब पूछ लिया कि सब्जेक्ट क्या है, तो आपको सब्जेक्ट तो बताना है ना, वो छुपा हुआ है, सिर्फ आपको पता चल जाना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट यू है। ठीक है, तो अगर आप हाँ जी बच्चे,
मैम फिर यू लिखना है।
यू लिखना है, हाँ जी। इस तरह का कोई भी सेंटेंस आएगा जहाँ सब्जेक्ट एक्चुअल में नहीं लिखा हुआ, आपने सब्जेक्ट लिखना है, यू है यहाँ। ठीक है, सो इफ आई टेल यू कि राइट डाउन द सब्जेक्ट एंड द प्रेडिकेट एंड द सेंटेंस गिवन इज कम हियर, तो यू विल राइट डाउन सब्जेक्ट हियर इज यू एंड प्रेडिकेट हियर इज कम हियर। क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
ओके
Fine.
यस मैम।
Okay. Now I'll just read out the answers for you. जल्दी से, a dark figure appeared in the hallway. Appear होना means नजर आना. So appear here is the verb. ठीक है. So a dark figure, किसके बारे में बात हो रही है, dark figure. कोई ऐसी सिर्फ figure जिसकी सिर्फ body की shape नजर आ रही है. ठीक है. So a dark figure here is the subject. Appeared in the hallway is the predicate. Check your answers side by side please. और अगर किसी को कोई issue होगा, you can ask. Next is no man can serve two masters. What is the verb here? Can, है ना। So इसका मतलब can के बाद सारा हमारा क्या आ जाएगा, predicate, और उससे पहले वाला सारा पार्ट हमारा क्या होगा, subject. So हमारा आंसर would be no man. No man here is the subject. Can serve two masters is the predicate. Next, my 80 years old mother is still very active. अब किसके बारे में बात हो रही है, मेरी मदर के बारे में तो बात हो रही है, और उसने मेरी मदर के बारे में थोड़ी सी डिस्क्रिप्शन भी दी है कि मेरी 80 इयर्स की जो मदर है, जो मेरी मदर है, और वो 80 इयर्स की है। सो द सब्जेक्ट हियर वुड बी माय 80 इयर्स ओल्ड मदर। दिस इज द सब्जेक्ट। और वर्ब देखो क्या है यहाँ पे, इज है ना वर्ब, तो इससे हमारा क्या स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, प्रेडिकेट स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, एंड आवर आंसर वुड बी प्रेडिकेट इज स्टिल वेरी एक्टिव। ओके, नेक्स्ट, द ओल्ड बुक्स आर बीइंग स्पॉइल्ड। किसके बारे में बात हो रही है, ओल्ड बुक्स के बारे में बात हो रही है। ठीक है, सो आंसर वुड बी द ओल्ड बुक्स, इट इज द सब्जेक्ट, आर बीइंग स्पॉइल्ड, इट इज द प्रेडिकेट। आर क्या है, हमारा हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, वो हमारा प्रेडिकेट हो गया। नेक्स्ट, अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन वर्क्स अब्रॉड। किसके बारे में बात हो रही है, मेरे एक फ्रेंड के बारे में बात हो रही है। सो अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन विल बी द सब्जेक्ट, वर्क्स अब्रॉड is the predicate, और आप check कर सकते हैं works here is the verb. So your answer would be correct. These two questions are clear to everybody. Now, beta, we don't have time left. So what we are going to do, just a minute.